up some mortar, type S mortar, a little bit of bonding agent. Just trying to get the perfect consistency. We're laying some brick down. Almost, I think it's peanut butter. And now once it sets up, we'll be rocking and rolling.
Today we are relaying this chimney that was structurally unsound and deteriorating. So we're just coming back here, relaying it, making sure that it's fully watertight and won't fall down on anyone. From here up on this side, and then as you see from the roof deck there, all the way up, as well as on this side. To reset these flue liners, as you see, I reset them, polish coated them up so that way they were more structural. They were wobbling around a bit. One thing that's taken us a little longer is because we are reusing these old brick. I want to make sure that I'm saving corner pieces. That way they're nice and cleaned off. A lot of the time that old mortar will still stain the brick even after we wash them. And having to clean them off does take us a little longer. Because it's not like we're able just to tear it down and relay fresh brick. Chisel all the old mortar off, and then we sand them down a little. That way, as you see here, we get a nice clean surface to work with. Compared to, as you can see, they're still raised. It's only raised about an 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, a couple spots. But if you have an 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch in every single one of these, that'll add up very fast, very quickly, and it'll just make the chimney look like junk. So for that, we'll just take a little sanding stone and clean it off real nice. That's a little bit better. It could still be ground down some more, but an idea for you guys.